Magna Prime Chemical Technologies, Inc., a trusted leader in the Philippine construction and chemical industry, celebrated its 24th founding anniversary. At the core of Sinclair's dedication is the Sinclair Promise, a one-of-a-kind manufacturer's warranty that guarantees top performance or replacement if needed. This promise underscores Sinclair's confidence in the durability and quality of its products, offering long-lasting protection and vibrant finishes for homes and buildings across the Philippines. Every product comes with a commitment to customer satisfaction, ensuring peace of mind with every purchase. The Sinclair Promise logo says it all. The heart represents genuine care for customers and partners. The handshake symbolizes accountability and a steadfast commitment to building strong relationships. That's what Sinclair the new generation paint will deliver. With every product, a commitment to excellence that protects, beautifies, and lasts. Because with Sinclair, you're not just getting paint, you're getting a promise you can count on. Stay tuned for updates, follow us, and click the links in the comments to learn more. The future of paint is here.